The pressure is good. Connections seem to be tight as long as you don't over tighten it. No leaks, that is, at either end. And I took the regulator out on it. So here are the settings. That's the highest pressure setting. That's both the middle stream and the external. That's just your middle stream. And then that's your pause. Of course, some water has to come out by law. So that's the highest pressure, as you can see. Good sturdy pressure. And that's your mister. Then of course, switching to your water jet, which has two settings. So it's got the spray all mist, the wire jet, and then the power jet. So overall, I'd have to give this, I don't know, 4.5, 5 stars. I would say that it's working pretty well. And again, that's your water pressure, holding it upside down. It's looking good. So far so good, no leaks, but this is a new installation just moments ago.
That's the one I wanted. Something to calm my muscles while in the shower.
Okay, so this is the review of the new outdoor shower head that we purchased. I want to give you a flavor for how it works. So we're going to start the review with the settings all the way to the left, right? Or I should say to the right if you're looking at holding the handle, and then we'll progressively move them along. So this is kind of the trickle, okay, and you can see it's really just more of a pause. Things get really hot right out of the gate. Then next. That's the last setting there. And you can go back and find what you're looking for. And then of course up top here is where you have your power wash features. So this is the one that's more of a spray. Pretty good for cleaning up. And then the next one is the jet. And so you get pretty good distance on that, almost, I'd suggest 25 feet or so, and then it goes back to the spray. So not a bad replacement, just a little light for me, so it, although it's the oil rub bronze, it just feels a little cheap, but it definitely is getting the job done.
Okay, so we've got the normal. Start with Mister. Just the misting. Oops. And that's supposed to be paused. And then on the back, let's see if I can get it back. There.
Here's the product on the wall. I put the adhesive over here so the shower head points more in the corner so it doesn't get water everywhere. I'll turn it on to show you one. So the water pressure is really nice, it works really well. The best feature, of course, is this. This is how I can clean the shower and save a lot of time. It was easy to install. You just screw that on, screw this on, and it works really, really well. If you are thinking about buying it, it is worth the money.